Hi friends, once again I welcome you all at Crack Grade B in the video lecture series of current affairs. We are going to discuss some important MCQs from April to August 2021 current affairs, and this is part 4 of our video lecture series. Before moving ahead, I would like to inform you that we are providing NABARD grade A course at ₹2499 only, and we are covering all these topics in our course. Along with this course, we are also giving you 5 ESI and ARD mock tests for phase 1 and phase 2 respectively. We are also giving 3 full-fledged descriptive types of test, because recently NABARD has changed its syllabus and they have introduced some descriptive types of questions into their exam. So we are also providing 3 descriptive types of question paper, test paper along with this course. Friends, we have recently launched our app, and with the launching offer we are giving 2 ESI ARD GM mock tests absolutely free for all new users, and we are also providing test series for NABARD at ₹499 only. Our paid users can register themselves at app and send email to us at crackgradeb@gmail.com for access in app. We are working on iOS app also. We will launch it soon. For more update, you can visit our website, that is www.crackgradeb.com. So friends, what is our first question today? TOLCNDV virus, which was in news recently, is related to which one of the following? It was in news recently. It was in news, in newspaper, in PIB, everywhere you can find this word. So you have to identify this virus is related to which one of the following. Your options are rice, potato, tomato, cotton or brinjal. TOLCNDV virus. So friends, this answer will be tomato. Answer is C. About this tomato leaf curl New Delhi virus, TOLCNDV infections cause severe losses in tomato yield. It is also known as the tomato leaf curl New Delhi virus. It is a bipartite widely transmitted begomovirus which was first described on tomato in India 1995. Initially it was known as the TOLCV India. TOLCNDV was initially found on Solanum lycopersicum tomato, then on other Solenicum such as Solanum, Melanogaena, chili pepper, and the Solanum tuberosum, that is called potato. Recently, when it was found in 1985 in India, following this discovery in India, other Asian countries reported the occurrence of TOLCNDV on a rather wide range of crops. So answer is, friends, C for this TOLCNDV. Now the Kamalam. Kamalam was recently in news, and you have to identify this Kamalam is also known as which one of the following. It is known as the jackfruit. It is known as the dragon fruit. It is known as the avocado, sapota or watermelon. Kamalam. It was in news recently. So friends, your answer will be B. It is also known as the dragon fruit in our country. What happened exactly? In a major boost to export of exotic fruit, consignment of fiber and mineral rich dragon fruit which are sourced from the farmers of the Gujarat or West Bengal have been exported for the first time to the London, United Kingdom and Kingdom of Bahrain. So in India, dragon fruit is also referred as the Kamalam. Earlier in June 2021, a consignment of dragon fruit that was sourced from the farmers of the Tadasar village, Sangli district of Maharashtra was exported to Dubai by the APDB recognized exporter. So this Kamalam is known as dragon fruit in our country. Now the third question, Mahua flower was in news recently related to which one of the following states? Your options are Bihar, UP, Chhattisgarh, Uttarakhand or Himachal Pradesh. So friends, your answer will be C. It is related to Chhattisgarh. What happens to give big boost to the export from non-traditional region? Mahua flower from Chhattisgarh and Himalayan goat meat from Uttarakhand exported to France and United Arab Emirates. APDA organized virtual meet with Laos for agri-export promotion. This is additional information. And EPDA organized Dragon Fruit Promotion Program in Saudi Arabia. So our government is doing very good work for exporting these types of fruits and increasing our export in the world for this agriculture and their products. So answer for this Mahua flower is C. Now the fourth question, what is the limit of maximum loan which can avail in Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana? You have heard about this scheme. You have to identify that how much is the limit for the maximum loan which can avail any person from this Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana. Your options are 15 lakh, 20 lakh, 10 lakh, 5 lakh or 1 lakh. Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana maximum loan limit you have to identify. I think you have heard this scheme, you have studied this scheme. So this question is not very tough and you are able to answer this question very easily. So friends, its answer will be C. The maximum limit is 10 lakh. How? The PM launched Pradhan Mantri Mudra Yojana, wherein Micro Units Development and Refinery Agency Bank or Mudra Bank provides loan at low rates to microfinance institution and non-banking financial institution, who in turn provided low interest loan to startup and MSMEs. Maximum loan up to 10 lakh can be availed under this Mudra scheme. Okay. So maximum loan can be launched, avail this 10 lakh. Now, the fifth question, which of the following state is the highest producer of the makhana in India? Your options are West Bengal, Assam, Jharkhand, Bihar or UP. Which of the following state is the highest producer of makhana in India? Makhana. I think you all know that what is the meaning of this makhana. So friends, its answer will be D, Bihar. Makhana, it is also known as foxnut, is also as a grogan nut, is grown in India, Korea, Japan and Russia. It comes from the lotus seeds. Foxnut makhana can be mixed with vegetable popped like corn, made into a yummy porridge. Makhana has been proven to be the highest nutrition food in which it is rich in medicinal properties and good for daily health diet. The nutrient contained are vitamin, minerals and fibers. So makhana is a highly valued commodity, commercially cultivated only in Bihar and certain other parts of eastern India like. Besides this, it is also grown in Madhya Pradesh, Rajasthan, Jammu and Kashmir and Tripura and Manipur. So largest cultivator is Bihar. So your answer is D. So friends, this was all from my side today. I will come up with more videos and more MCQs in my upcoming video. Till then, happy learning. मेहनत करते रहिए, पढ़ते रहिए. Thank you and happy learning.